Invincible Season 3 is finally here. While the entire show is mostly accurate to the comics, but Season 3 does make a few big changes, and one of them is Mark's first girlfriend, Amber Bennett. The most glaring difference between the show and the comics is the visual one. In the comics, Amber is a blonde-haired white girl, whereas in the show version, she is a black woman. As the show's creator, Robert Kirkman addresses that it was a deliberate choice to add new diversity. In the comics, Amber and Mark are high school couples. They love each other, but as time passes, the love between them starting to fade away as Mark becomes more and more busy to fight crimes, alien invasion. He left Amber alone one time in the college when Mark goes off to fight the enemy as Invincible. Amber thought Mark left her to die. She almost broke up with him because of it, so Mark tells her the truth that he is invincible. She gets relieved as she thought Mark as a drug dealer. Things become normal between them, but that didn't last long. Mark still has his superheroic duties. They are starting to spend much lesser time. Also, when Mark takes Amber on a trip to Africa, she realized that despite having a great time, she couldn't tell anyone about the trip because they would ask Amber like how they got there. And in that trip, Mark left Amber with Eve because he has to rescue his family from the evil Angstrom Levy. So during his absence, Amber met a young man named Gary. While she never cheated on Mark, but Gary is always there for her. Mark also realized that things aren't going great, so both Mark and Amber broke up. But even after their breakup, Mark has a feelings for Amber, as sometime later, when Mark and Eve started dating, Mark received a call from Amber, and when he meets her, Mark sees the left side of her face is horribly bruised. Gary is abusing her, and it drives him mad. So without wasting time, Mark finds Gary and reminds him he is not a part of Amber's life, but he still cares for her, and if he ever hurt her again, he will kill him. And it forces Gary to continue his relation with Amber. Now things are different in the show. Amber is strong, independent woman who cares about helping others, especially the homeless. She wants to take her degree from the college, and she also falls in love with Mark. After weeks of being together, one day, when Amber and her friends are attacked at Upstate University, Mark saved them as invincible. But later when he comes back, Amber was angry at him, saying that he left them in danger. And when Mark revealed his identity, Amber is unimpressed, as she already knew Mark is invincible. But she feels sad that he lied to her this whole time. He always ghosted her during their dates, told her many lies, and she can't stand with that. This eventually leading Amber to break up with Mark. But in the end, she comes back to Mark and they become couple again. She always supported Mark in his hard times with his dad and the heroic life. But just like in the comic, that's going to end soon, as when Mark was in a mission in the outer space, Amber lost her grandfather and she is struggling in school. Eve was there to support her, but that wasn't enough for her. She is worried for Mark, always thinking about him. She doesn't want Mark to quit his superheroic life. But when Mark returns Earth and meets Amber, Mark is confronted by the evil Viltrumite, Anissa, and she threatens Mark to come with her or else she will kill Amber. And after dealing with Anissa, they both agree to a mutual separation, as Mark can't risk to lose Amber in his risky life. Now in this season 3, Mark started to like Eve. He liked her the moment they first met, but in that time, Eve was with Rex. The older Eve from another timeline also told Mark to tell her younger self about how he feels. So Mark decides to ask Eve for a date, but when he tells her about the older Eve's feelings, it makes her confused. She misunderstands Mark, believing that he is doing her a favor because old Eve told him to. He doesn't have any feelings for her, but before he can explain, the two are called by Cecil, as the entire heroes are captured by Dr. Sismic. So after dealing with Cecil and his reanimated corpses, Mark and Eve finally meet, and Eve decides to give Mark a chance for a date. Mark and Eve are finally together, and one day, Eve and Amber meet in a restaurant. Eve recently joined the college, and they started talking about their lives, and suddenly, Amber asks Eve how Mark is doing, and as it makes her nervous, Amber tells her she knew they are dating, which shocks Eve, but Amber seems happy. William told her everything about Mark and Eve, and she is happy for them. Eve was scared, as she didn't want to ruin their friendship, but Amber is fine. She knew that Mark will eventually end up with Eve. Amber also says both she and Mark, they are different, but in case of them, they both live in the same world. Mark and Eve are perfect for each other, and Amber also reveals that she is dating a new guy named Kyle. So now, I want to hear from you, which Amber is better, comics or the show? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you love this video, then please like and subscribe. This will motivate me to make more contents. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.